In a surprise move, UK PM Rishi Sunak has announced that the national elections in the country will be held in this July. Well, the British electoral battle is scheduled for July 4th now. Prime Minister Rishi Sunak has said that he wants to hold the summer polls after claiming inflation is back under control and the economy is improving. Well, the decision to call early elections has, of course, taken many by surprise, as the incumbent UK government had earlier voiced its intention of holding the polls later this year. But the election now has been announced. UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak has announced that the election will take place on July 4th this year. All right, let's listen in to Rishi Sunak's statement there first.
Now is the moment for Britain to choose its future, to decide whether we want to build on the progress we have made or risk going back to square one with no plan and no certainty. Earlier today, I spoke with His Majesty the King to request the dissolution of Parliament. The King has granted this request, and we will have a general election on the 4th of July.
Well, my colleague Vishal also now joins us on the broadcast, getting us more on that. Vishal, this is being seen as a high-risk move. UK PM Rishi Sunak now has announced that the election will take place this summer, that is 4th of July. But as we do understand at this point in time, this of course has taken many by surprise, as the government had earlier announced, Rishi Sunak had earlier announced that the election would take place in the second half of this year. And also, well, the Conservative Party also at this point in time is trailing behind the Labour Party.
That is right. So this could be a strategic move. As you mentioned earlier, that the Conservative Party had announced that the elections would be held later this year. That was the original plan. But since the Conservative Party has been trailing in the polls, some exit polls have suggested that there's no chance that Tory party would make a comeback. So the Labour Party, which is the opposition right now, is expected to, rest to a big win when the elections are held. So this is sort of a desperate move by the Tory party, by UK PM Rishi Sunak himself, to gain some grounds and, have that surprise element when he goes to the polls. There are several factors that we have to note here. Within his own party, Sunak has been facing rebellion owing to a lot of things, such as topics like migration. So there's increasing debate over whether the graduate route visa scheme needs to be continued or not. Several senior party leaders have asked UK PM to hold on to the scheme, and there are reports coming in that suggest that that scheme will be, the UK government will hold on to the scheme. So there are other topics as well. So as of now, this seems to be a move, to have that surprise element when the elections are held. As we discussed earlier, that Conservative Party seems to be, struggling at the moment.
Yes.